Okay, hello everybody. What do we got here? We got a binary clock, and this is the way it works. I'm gonna put the wire down. Okay. All right, so you practically can see here the hours at the top. Okay. You can see that it's 11. It's 11 o'clock here, so actually it's 11:18. Okay, so see, it's practically based on switched on and off, open and on and off, practically. Okay, LED on is 1, LED off it's 0. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 plus 1. It's the same here. 4, 0 plus 1, 0 again, 0, and then 1, 1. Okay, so this is exactly 11 hours. And then here there is a second. In this case it's 18 minutes, 19 minutes moving. And here you can see it's a 000, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then there is 2 empty space, and then there is 2, 1, 1. 1, 1, exactly as the minutes here. Obviously the second is moving too fast to follow. We can make it slower and you can analyze, but it's working perfectly with this synchronized, practically this dot matrix LED display with the LEDs, 64 LEDs, is synchronized with the OLED. Okay, so that's all it is. All right, and yeah, so let's see the codes. Here's the code. Okay, you need practically this library, LedControl.h, which is running the Max. This is actually the name of this one. It's the Max. Yeah. Sorry, it's a Max. Max7219. Okay, dot matrix. Let's go back. Here's the code. Use your username and password, obviously. The time is taken from the NTP, you know, so it's a network time. It's like the other times that we've already worked with this before, but we didn't use a binary clock. We use a normal clock. Okay, so you still have to make sure that the time is correct to your zone or your area. Okay, and here it is, decimal binary, and it moves according, you know, to the LED. The LED display from takes the information and then it brings it. When the 7219 shows the LED lit on, it will send the information to the OLED, and it will show the timing correct. All right. So here's the code. It's all based lots of you know, with strings in hours, minute. Okay. 8 bits for hours, 8 bits for minutes, maximum 59, and 23. Okay. So there we are here with display the hours, 0, display the minutes row. That will be the row 1, row 2, and row 3. There we are. Decimal binary for the minutes, the hours, and the seconds. And here it will be displayed on the OLED screen. Binary clock. 15 here in this case is the adjustment. You have a 15, 30, and 45, which is that it'll be the second. The first from the clock is 15, it's the position of the second line. The third line is 30, and the fourth line, the fourth line with the second is 45. Okay. Sorry, you can't see properly. The problem is if I open the curtains, then you don't see the LED. Let me try a little bit. Yeah, you can see a little bit better. Let me see. Yeah, there we are. Okay, so you got 40 on the top here. 40, and you got 40 here on the top here. There is 40, and there is 1, 0, 0, and then there is 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So that's a mean off, 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 on, off, on. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, so it's 11:23 now, and this is the 23 minutes, which is correct to the minutes here. It's 30 at the beginning, and then 1-0. So 30, 1-0, and then 3 on, 1, 1, 1, exactly. And here it's the seconds. Obviously the second is moving too fast, so I can't really follow nicely. But there you are. It works perfectly. If people enjoy working with binary, you can even make a binary calculator then. Okay, so this is a binary clock with ESP8266, and this is a Mini Pro, and this is the pin for the 7219 dot matrix with 64 LED. So this one goes to the clock. The orange one is a clock. Clock is on number 5. The blue one is the data, and the data goes on number 7. And then you have the CS, which is the CS is a yellow, and it goes on number 8. Okay. Then the OLED is got a SEL and SDA, and there will be D1 for SEL, and SDA will go on D2. Okay, so that's the way it works. And let's go back again to see this. 11 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay, and then it's 1 on, 1 off, on and on, exactly like here. So when it goes to 12, it'll change. So this one will change. The top one here will change every hours. The second one will change every minutes. Now, for example, it's 25 minutes, and it's change it again. It's 30, 30, 11, 0, 1, 0. There you are. And obviously it will change it to 26 now, and it will change it again to match this. Okay, guys, I think we cover pretty much with this. I think, yeah, I'll do more project with binary. I kind of like it. All right, have a good day, and I will post the codes and everything online later on. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.